Hello. Hello. Good morning, class. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. How are you all?
Good, sir.
My voice is clear to all of you, no?
Yes, sir.
So, last time we have discussed about the IEEE standard. Yeah. And the previous lecture, so many network issues were there, but still somehow we have covered the IEEE standards here for especially for the Wi-Fi system 802.11. Yeah. So now today we will in that particular portion I am just revising the previous lecture. So in that particular portion we have covered that how this Wi-Fi system adopted and what is the major parts of that particular Wi-Fi system to get connected. That is, suppose access point is the major part, and then another is the BSS, that is basic service station here, and both are connected with each other. And there is a router, then there is a access system through which we can access the packets clear through Wi-Fi system. So we were having so many components adopting in that particular section of IEEE standard. So after that, we have discussed the frame structure of that. If you remember, most of the persons have not had not joined again after the disconnection. So still, those who have joined, we have covered the IEEE frame structure, Wi-Fi frame structure here, and after that we have discussed different protocols related to that particular Wi-Fi standard. Clear. Now we have discussed the table of that. Uh, so I will share this by today itself. I will share that particular section, and now we will discuss into today's lecture. We will discuss about the next topic, that is gigabit and fast Ethernet. Clear? This is the another topic. I'm just waiting. I am sharing. देखिए DCN is very interesting subject. No need कि आप उसको हर एक चीज को रट लीजिए दिमाग में, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. दिस इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट. आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझने हैं चीजों के, ठीक है ना, कि ये क्या होता है, इसमें क्या चीजें होती हैं. दीज आर ऑल द कॉन्सेप्ट्स. क्लियर? देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ रट्टाफिकेशन. तो दिमाग में आपको कोई चीज ऐसी नहीं कि रट लेनी है, तो रट के ही ये चीज आ पाएगी. सो यू जस्ट familiar of to that. Clear? एक बार मैं थोड़ा आपको दिखा देता हूँ जो लास्ट टाइम मैंने डिस्कस किया था. This was the content, that is IEEE 802.11 wireless fidelity. Wi-Fi को क्या बोलते हैं full form? Wireless fidelity. Clear? So these are the outcomes which we have covered, and this was the analogy which we have discussed, that how the communication takes place between two persons if they are supposed to stand in a crowd. So the communication may get uh, listened by some other person. So in this fashion, the communication will not get secured. Clear? So now इसके बाद हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था, ये कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं IEEE 802.11 1 वाईफाई में कि जैसे इसमें बेसिकली हम इसका एडिशनल फीचर क्या होता है, पावर मैनेजमेंट एंड सिक्योरिटी मैकेनिज्म। क्लियर, इट इज बेसिकली डिजाइन किया गया था फॉर यूज इन ए लिमिटेड जियोग्राफिकल एरिया सच दैट होम्स, ऑफिस, बिल्डिंग, ठीक है, कैंपसेस, सच दैट, and the primary challenge is to mediate access to a shared communication medium, in this case signals propagating through space exactly। ठीक है, ये हमने आपको डायग्राम बताया था जो भी मैं आपसे डिस्कस कर रहा था कि सपोज वी हैव the portable devices like computer, laptops, clear, so they are exactly communicating through Wi-Fi system through the access point, and in this circular portion in between them there is a access point, router and ethernet switch। Clear, so access point and ethernet switch are connected with the LAN cable through a wire। Clear, and the router and access points are connected, and the router is again connected to ISP office, that is the internet service provider। Clear, so the router and internet service provider accessing the packet, clear, accessing the packet whichever the portable device want to communicate। Clear, so the portable device is directly communicate with the access point, and then in this particular middle section, that is also known as wireless router। Clear, so wireless router exactly cover access point, ethernet switch and router। Clear, so in this fashion we can communicate the packet। So next one is, this is, you can see this is a wireless access point, then it is going to what, the PoE switch। Clear, this is a type of ethernet switch for this is a type of ethernet switch, exactly PoE switch। Clear, then there is a router there is a router and then internet। Clear, they are all connected through that particular switch। Clear, and then it is also connected to the wireless access point system। Clear, now this IEEE 802.11 uses 5 gigahertz radio band। Clear, this this is using a 5 gigahertz radio band, that is a very high frequency, sorry, this is a high frequency which has 23 overlapping channels rather than 2.4 gigahertz band which has only 3 non-overlapping channels। Clear, the access method in this particular Wi-Fi scheme is that is CSMA-CA। clear, एक टर्म होता है CSMA-CD, एक टर्म होता है CSMA-CA। तो CSMA-CD है वो हमारा CSMA का, वो हमारा जो स्टैंडर्ड है। मेरी आवाज आ रही है सभी को?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in this particular Wi-Fi scheme, we exactly use the CSMA-CA, carrier sense multiple access collision avoidance protocol। Clear? We exactly use collision avoidance protocol in this particular Wi-Fi system। ठीक है? Not collision detection, only collision avoidance is used in this IEEE 802.15। हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं, we are using this method to avoid the collision। Clear, not to detect the collision। So these are the some Wi-Fi adapters। आप लोगों को एक चीज और पता होगी कि जैसे हमारे दो तरीके का कम्युनिकेशन होता है, वायर्ड और एक वायरलेस। जो वायर्ड कम्युनिकेशन होता है, जो वायर्ड कम्युनिकेशन होता है वो हमारा एग्जैक्टली ईथरनेट केबल, दैट इज एग्जैक्टली द ईथरनेट केबल। ठीक है ना, तो उसमें क्या होता है, वो एग्जैक्टली कोलिजन डिटेक्शन पे बेस्ड है, सीएसएमए सीडी में से। आपसे कोई पूछे कि सीएसएमए सीडी प्रोटोकॉल को हम कहाँ जनरली यूज करते हैं, दिस इज यूज फॉर एग्जैक्टली 802.3 IEEE स्टैंडर्ड, दैट इज लाइन बेस्ड ईथरनेट सिस्टम। और जो सीएसएमए सीए होता है वो हम कहाँ पे प्रेफर करते हैं, IEEE 802.11, दिस इज वाईफाई सिस्टम। ये आपको ध्यान रखना है। ठीक है, जो ईथरनेट केबल होती है लाइन सिस्टम, वहाँ कोलिजन डिटेक्शन यूज होता है, सीएसएमए सीडी यूज होता है। और जो हमारा वाईफाई सिस्टम होता है वहाँ पे हम जनरली 802.11, दैट इज व्हाट इसमें हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं, कोलिजन अवॉइडेंस सिस्टम। यहाँ कोलिजन डिटेक्शन विल नॉट बी देयर। और हाँ, ये भी आपको ध्यान रखना है कि जो मैं बता रहा था वायर्ड और वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन होता है, तो वायर्ड वाला जो कम्युनिकेशन है उसमें आपका एग्जैक्टली क्या होता है कि जो कम्युनिकेशन है वो वायर के थ्रू होता है, ठीक है। दैट इज समथिंग इथरनेट केबल या समथिंग सिस्टम। तो उसमें